Hey everyone, welcome to the Justin Woodworks YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share my experience making this with hempwood. Let's go. So I'm based in Southern California, and my local lumber supplier, Real Lumber Service in Anaheim, is going to be the first in the world to carry hempwood. They also have a few other locations in Riverside, Corona, and Mescal Valley out here in Southern California. This hempwood is made by the company Hempwood, and as the name implies, it is made from hemp. So hempwood is basically taken from bales of hemp, and it is pressed down with a soy-based glue at 1,700 tons. Some advantages to hempwood are that it grows 100 times faster than oak and is also 20% stronger. Hempwood is a viable alternative to traditional wood. It is a renewable and sustainable resource, but needs to be approached differently than, say, walnut or oak. Because of the orientation of the fibers, it is prone to tear out, and you'll need to take this into account to achieve the results you are aiming for. Although hempwood is prone to tear out, you can easily cover up these blemishes with a sawdust and glue mixture. Hempwood also sands quite nicely. I ended up working through the grits down to 220 prior to applying oil-based finishes. Just like any other wood project, it's always best to sample the wood finish or stain that you intend on using on a scrap piece of hempwood or on a hidden area on the workpiece itself. It is recommended to use oil-based finishes and stains on hempwood since water-based could adversely affect the fibers in the hempwood. I'd like to take a moment to thank Real Lumber Service in Anaheim, California and Hempwood for involving myself and a few other furniture makers in this process of working with such a revolutionary new product. If you have any questions or are looking to purchase Hempwood, reference the description below, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I appreciate it, and thanks for watching.